Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Shravana Bhavan Kesari at your home. So this Kesari is basically a South Indian dish. So this is called Sujika Halwa in North India. In South India it is called Kesari. So for this recipe what you need, here I took 1 cup of suji and I added 1 teaspoon of ghee in the pan, and I am frying this suji. So we have to roast this one until the raw smell gone from the suji. And here I am melting the ghee for this kesari. So we have to roast this suji in a ghee for 2 to 3 minutes. Can you see the color? So it will start becoming light brown in color. And in the same pan, I am going to add 2 cups of water. So for 1 cup of suji, we have to add 2 cups of water. So for this recipe guys, we have to use the same measuring cup. So I added suji in this cup, that is rava, and so we have to use the same measuring cup for this recipe. So I put suji in this cup, that is 1 cup of suji, and I added 2 cups of water, and I am going to add ghee later, not now, but I am going to add the sugar. It started boiling. So the water started boiling. What I am going to do, I am going to add this suji into this boiling water, and I am going to mix. There should not be any lump. So we have to mix this suji, and there is no lump in this. In this, I am going to add 1.5 cup of sugar. So for 1 cup of rava, we have to add 1.5 cup of sugar. So if you want more sweet, you can add more sugar. We have to mix these things together. And in this, I am going to add half a cup of ghee. We have to add little bit guys. So I'll put all the measurement in the description box. If you want to make this kesari, you can check my description box and you can prepare at your home. Now it's time to add this saffron color. If you want to skip this one, you can skip, but this is the must for the South Indian kesari. Can you see the color of the kesari? So this is how they prepare this one in all the South Indian hotel. So can you see, it's not sticking to the pan. So that means my kesari is ready, and I'm going to switch out the flame. It's time to add the elaichi powder, that is the cardamom powder, and the raisins and cashews. So I added 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder, and I fried these cashew nuts and the raisins the ghee, and I put it in this kesari. So my kesari is ready, and I'm going to sprinkle some saffron. It gives a nice color in this. So my kesari is ready. It's time to serve. So I put it in the silver bowl because today I made this one as a prasad to God. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make Saravana Bhavan Kesari at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.